I am actually about to do something really crazy and go on the longest hike of my life for 8 hours with this crazy bunch of people. I'm in the North Island of New Zealand, and we're at a place called Tongariro, and it's where I think Modor, is that Modor? Part of the Lord of the Rings was here. I just watched the movies for the first time, but something epic happened here.
Oh, excited.
This is y'all's longest hike?
Mount Doom.
Yeah. The longest hike I did was actually like 2 hours, so this is a big jump.
But she got to sleep in this epic van.
Yeah, I got a good night's sleep, and I feel ready.
All right, we're doing this.
Excited! It's the Mount Doom in the Lord of the Rings.
This is Mount Doom in the Lord of the Rings.
I'm excited for the Devil's Staircase.
Why? Because you want to get your booty popping?
So we're going to do the yellow bus. Then on 9:30.
Alrighty.
Right? You have a beautiful day.
Very
The sun is
excited.
shining.
How's it been, guys?
It's been really amazing, really beautiful, a little tired, 2.5 hours left.
Yeah. 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours left. We're at the end of the road. It's here. We're here. How are you feeling?
My knee hurts. I would do it again, but 2 hours less.
I agree. Second that.
I would do it again.
I'm gonna do it again and do Mount Doom next time.
We think this is the end. We think it's the end. Let's see. Yeah.
It definitely is.
So that took us about 7 hours, but we stopped about 1,000,000 times to film with the GoPro Karma and just take pictures of us doing yoga. Exciting shit. And we're at the car park.